Hi, I'm Chris, Product Marketing Manager for iGUIDE, and in this video we're going to cover pricing. iGUIDE has pay-per-project pricing. That means there's no subscriptions and you can order whatever you want without any long-term commitment. The processing cost is pretty easy to figure out because it's either a flat fee or per square footage, and that includes your deliverables and in most cases 1 year of hosting. Let's look at an example using square footage. Let's suppose you go out and capture a space yourself and the total area captured is 2,100 square feet. Then you send the data in for processing and order an iGUIDE standard, which is 2.2 cents a square foot. That's going to cost you 2.2 cents multiplied by 2,100 square feet, which equals a grand total of $46.20. With that one-time payment, you get a 3D virtual walkthrough with interactive floor plans, PDF floor plans, 1 year hosting, and a ton of other stuff. Let's do another one with even easier math. Let's suppose you go out and capture a space yourself and the total area captured is 1,600 square feet. Then you send the data in for processing and order an iGUIDE instant. That's going to cost you a flat fee of $7.99. So the property size doesn't matter, it's a flat fee. iGUIDE Instant is unique in that it has 120 days hosting included instead of the more typical 1 year, but you can choose to renew it if you want for another $7.99. Okay, last example. This one's more complicated. Let's suppose you go out and capture a space yourself and the total area captured is 1,900 square feet. Then you send the data in for processing and order an advanced drawing package with a roof plan add-on. The cost of that is 10 cents per square foot for the advanced drawing package plus an additional 3 cents per square foot for the roof plan. That's going to cost you 13 cents multiplied by 1,900 square feet, which equals a grand total of $345.80. With that one-time payment, you get 3 virtual walkthrough with 1 year of hosting, plotted drawings, CAD files, and so on. If you want to do the math yourself, you can totally do that, or you can use the handy calculator that's on the iGUIDE website under pricing. To use it, just pick a package, enter a property size, and it'll spit out a number for you. Easy peasy. On the same page, you can also find every type of iGUIDE package and add-on listed along with their features and prices. You can also find links at the bottom of the page to less attractive but much more detailed price lists that live on the iGUIDE help desk. I hope that was helpful. If you want more complicated pricing information like volume discounts, large area discounts, or enterprise pricing, reach out to the sales team directly and they can walk you through it.